We'll guide you through how to create amazing art using Inkscape. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Inkscape on your desktop. Once it's open, you'll see a blank canvas in front of you. To start creating, you might want to explore the set of tools available on the left side of the screen. Begin by selecting the Create Rectangles and Squares tool if you want to make basic shapes. Click and drag on the canvas to form the shape, and you can adjust the size by dragging the corners or edges. If you want to add curves or more complex shapes, switch to the Bezier Curves and Straight Lines tool. Click to create points and form your desired shape, then close the shape by connecting back to the starting point. To fill your shape with color, select it and go to the bottom color palette. Pick a color by clicking on it, and your shape will instantly change color. If you want to add gradients, right-click on the shape, choose Fill and Stroke, then navigate to the Fill tab and select Linear Gradient. Here you can adjust the gradient stops to customize the color blend. For adding text to your artwork, click on the Create and Edit Text Objects tool, then click on your canvas where you want the text to appear. Type your text, and you can customize the font size and color by using the options found in the Text and Font dialog under the text menu. To fine-tune your artwork, use the Select and Transform Objects tool to move, rotate, or resize elements as needed. Once you're satisfied with your creation, save your work by going to File and selecting Save As. Choose your desired format, such as SVG for web graphics or PDF for printing. Then hit Save. With these steps, you're well on your way to mastering Inkscape. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.